Hello stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets closed positive today. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. We are seeing continuously 5 green candles. This is good. We can see resistance is also broken, that was at 4,459 points, and from here we are seeing continuous upside momentum. Next area of resistance that is identified at 4,500. Tomorrow will be a test for DFM market index, whether it can close above this resistance or it hits the resistance and come down. Still, the recovery of this drop to the downside is not done yet. There is still space remaining, but it has already gone past above 50% mark, that is positive. I hope it continues its upside momentum. We want to see a solid closing above this resistance during this week itself. In case if it is not able to sustain around this area, then first support is at 4,459. If this is broken, this will be negative. There are chances we may see downside momentum till about 4,400 points. Hopefully that does not happen. Previously, if you remember, I had mentioned in my analysis, after a strong drop to the downside, we may see some recovery. If it goes lower, then this will be a short recovery phase that would be negative. That did not happen. We saw continuous upside momentum and market broke the area of resistance, which shows strength. There are many good stocks as of now in the market that are picking up and has good potentials to go higher. ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, also printed a green candle after yesterday's indecisive candle. This is positive. Previously, if you remember, right from the support zone, that is 9,160, market pushed up. Right at this candle, we had decided this would be a test for ADX market next day, whether it continues its upside momentum from here or comes down for a retest. Thankfully, we are seeing 2 green candles back to back, which confirmed there are good chances of upside momentum, and this was just a pause candle after 2 green days. Today's candle indicates there are strong chances it would like to continue its upside momentum. Next area of resistance on the daily chart stands at 9,352 points. If buyers can again reclaim this area, that is 9,352, then it will be in safe territory, because still we are not seeing recovery of this drop to the downside. We want to see minimum 50% market recovery so that we can confirm there are chances of continuation to the upside, or there are still chances it may hit this resistance and then come down for a lower correction, which obviously we do not want. So tomorrow or during this week, if at all we can see a solid candle close above the resistance zone, then potentially coming week onwards, either it can come down for a revisit and then continue its upside momentum, or we can expect direct move to the upside. Overall, ADX market index is going through a recovery phase. I'm very positive it will bounce back stronger. This is the daily chart of Presight. Trust me guys, this stock is like a sleeping lion. Once it's up, it will be very aggressive and we may not be able to catch it. The reason I say this is because it's been accumulating right from this area, that is 29th of April 2024. This was the high. From here it's been trading within this tight wedge pattern. Previously it tried for a breakout, it got rejected, and during the negative scenario, that is due to the geopolitical tensions, it dropped, but we did not see any bigger downside momentum. Buyers are still holding up. We could see a small break to the downside, but very next day onwards it immediately started to recover. I expect this breakout to happen very soon. We are right at the apex of this triangle pattern. If it breaks to the upside, there are very good chances it can even go past about 3.00, that too aggressively. So how will we identify if at all the breakout is confirmed? Well, first thing first, we will see a breakout of this area, that is 2.45. Once this is done with a solid candle close, we will get our initial confirmation that now buyers are ready to push the price higher. And then next area of resistance will be taken out, that is 2.55. Once these two zones are taken out, there are chances we may see aggressive momentum to the upside. This is very positive and I think this will most likely happen. In case if it does not happen, then let's plan for the negative scenario. We know this was the breakdown, that was fake breakdown. If at all market goes below this zone, that is 2.21, then there are chances of chart pattern failure that would be very negative. I hope that does not happen. If that happens, then we will see aggressive move to the downside till about 1.70, 1.75, because Buyers are all anticipating a breakout of this zone in their favor, that is to the upside. In case if opposite happens, then people will start dumping the stock, which will bring down the price aggressively. So let's see how the price unfolds, hopefully to the upside. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.